Are you tired of having dirty golf clubs impacting your game? Frustrated with the hassle of cleaning your clubs with dirty towels, tees, or a brush? Dirt on the club face and in the grooves leads to inconsistent ball striking, reduced distance, spin, and control, potentially costing you several strokes each round. Meet Scrubi, the world's ultimate golf club cleaning tool for effortless cleaning on the go. With 126 sturdy bristles, cleaning your clubs has never been easier and more effective. Scrubi revolutionizes the way you maintain your clubs. Once it forms part of your routine, Scrubi becomes as essential as your favorite club. It only takes seconds to set up Scrubi on your golf bag. Once it's in place, simply add water. To get scrubbing on your click gear, attach the bracket to the left rear arm of your click gear. Once the bracket is in place, you'll never have to remove it. You can use Scrubi on your bag, on your click gear, and on your bag while on any pushcart or golf cart. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual golfer, everyone loves Scrubi for its consistent cleaning and simple integration into your game. Scrubi is designed in such a way that all the water accumulates at the bottom. This ensures that there's no water spillage on your equipment. As we delved into the current market offerings, we found them lacking. Upon investigating more robust cleaning devices used at clubs and driving ranges, we recognized the potential to adapt this superior technology for individual use.
Hi, I'm Phil Conradi from Cape Town, South Africa, and founder of Scrubi, the ultimate golf club cleaning tool. As a golfer myself, I find it frustrating to actually keep my golf clubs clean, and that's why we developed Scrubi as a tool to keep your clubs clean while you actually are playing golf. Scrubi consists out of 3 elements. It's a bracket that fits onto your golf bag or your click gear. The second element is the bucket itself that has bristles in it that helps you to clean your clubs. And the third element is simply water that you add into the bucket. After a round of golf, you simply remove the bucket from your click gear. You fold it away as the bracket remains on the click gear and store your bucket into your bag. We'd like to thank our VIP backers on Kickstarter with a free gift, which is a Scrubi Golf Ball Cleaner. It's a 3-in-1 tool that you can clean your golf balls with. It's also a ball marker and a holder for your scorecard. Back us on Kickstarter as we embark on our journey to cleaner clubs and lower golf scores. Thank you.